What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Today's video, pretty cool. We're gonna be laying some wrap down on Paxton's Mazda RX-7. I got Paxton here in the background. Say what's up, Pax.
What's up?
But yeah, we got the Mazda there. As you can see, we got it all cleaned up. Just got done washing it. But yeah, we figured we'd make a video for you guys, bring you guys along with us while we lay some wrap down on the car, so you guys can see this thing transform. This may be a day or 2 or 3 long video, so stay tuned, guys. Come along for the ride. All right, guys, check it out. This is a before. We're gonna walk around the car, kind of show you guys what it looks like before. We've done some body work on it. We got all the dings and dents. There are still some hail dents that are in the hood, but we are going to be getting those removed here by a PDR person, which basically is a paintless dent repair. They're going to be removing the dents without having to do any Bondo or sanding or anything like that. Basically paintless. But you can see we got the side swipe mark there fixed. We got the mirror removed. We got the trim removed. We got a handle removed. This is actually going to be the first door or first body part we're going to lay the wrap down on. I'll walk you around the car here though, so like I said, you can see the before and then see the after. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. We will update you here shortly. Guys, look at this. We got half the parts of the car in the house. The wraps over there. We got seats over here. We got door panels. I'm just laughing. Figured I'd share with you guys the joys of rebuilding a car. What's up, guys? It's a new day and we are here at the house doing some basically cleanup modifications to the Mazda RX-7. Wanted to kind of update you guys. But yeah, we got Paxton right here. Say what's up. He's eating some gummies right there. But yeah, we got the windows out. We got basically the parts that we're gonna be replacing there on the counter. But yeah, we got door handle locks removed. Let me walk you outside here. Pax, come on. let you guys see what the car looks like so far. Yeah, pretty cool. It's getting transformed. Oh, and check this out too, guys. We got the Red Sun sticker. Stay tuned, guys. But yeah, and then another thing, wanted to update you guys. We are about to do our first coat of paint. Paxton, bring the can of paint over. We're gonna do our first coat of paint on the door handles and the mirror that we have. We already got the mirror masked off there with some precision masking tape. But yeah, we're about to lay down that first coat. We'll do a little time lapse for you guys on the camera. Guys, check it out. The first coat, or I said the first 2-3 coats are looking very good on the handles and the mirror. Pretty cool. All right, guys, just like that, we are wrapped up for the night. You can see the car behind me. We got the hood done, the fender done, the door done. We got the piece on the roof. That piece was actually for the hood, but unfortunately we cut it too short, so it's gonna be the roof piece. But yeah, that's gonna be it for tonight, guys. We will see you guys tomorrow. What's up, guys? We're back. And as you can see, we have some mods done to the RX-7 since you've last seen it. We got some Initial D replica stickers there on the side. But yeah, pretty cool. We're about to lay some more wrap down, so we will show you guys some time lapse of us laying the wrap on the quarter to get this whole thing looking Initial D. Got Paxton here. He just came out and say what's up.
What's up?
But yeah, guys, stay tuned for the time lapse of the laying the wrap down. Check it out, guys. We have finished up with the wrap and this thing is completely transformed. What do y'all think? Let us know in the comments down below. But this thing is completely transformed. It's a little bit dark outside. I would record out there, but it is brighter in here, so I'm giving you guys the best view I can get. Let me do a walk around for you guys. Let you see the rear. Let us know what you guys think. All right, guys, that's all we got for you guys today in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We had a blast making it for you. If you guys are new to the channel and haven't already subscribed, be sure to do that now. If you guys like this video, make sure to put a big like on it. But until then, guys, we will see you in the next video. Peace!